Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something special in store for you. We're taking a sweet detour to Italy to explore a delightful dessert that's sure to make your taste buds sing, Torta Caprese. We'll not only show you how to whip up this chocolatey almond delight but also share some little known facts about it. Torta Caprese is an indulgent Italian dessert, combining the richness of chocolate with the nuttiness of almonds. Interestingly, this cake doesn't contain any flour, making it a delightful gluten-free treat. Ready for our first surprising fact? Despite its rich, chocolatey taste, the original Torta Caprese was actually made with tomatoes. Yes, tomatoes. It was only later that chocolate was introduced. The original Torta Caprese was made with tomatoes. As we start prepping these ingredients, let's delve into fact number 2. Torta Caprese hails from the Island of Capri, hence the name. But did you know it was created by mistake? A baker forgot to add flour to the mix, resulting in this deliciously dense cake. Torta Caprese was created by mistake on the island of Capri. While this chocolate melts into a gorgeous, glossy mix, let's move on to another intriguing tidbit. This cake is traditionally cut into the shape of a star during the Christmas season in Italy, adding to the festive spirit. During Christmas, the cake is cut into a star shape. Now on to fact number 4. Despite being a dessert, Torta Caprese is often served with a glass of Limoncello, a lemon liqueur from southern Italy, offering a delightful contrast of flavors. And here's our final fun fact. Torta Caprese is often referred to as uno dei pasticci più fortunati della storia, which means one of history's luckiest mistakes. Quite fitting, don't you think? So, there you have it, a luscious slice of Torta Caprese and 5 fascinating facts about this remarkable cake. Join us next time for more culinary adventures and untold stories of your favorite dishes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until then, buon appetito!